In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Gumroad API in Python in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. The Gumroad API allows you to connect your Gumroad store with Python so you can automate tasks, access sales data, manage products, and work with your store programmatically. Now, if you want to use the Gumroad API in Python, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to your account settings. After that, open the advanced section inside your settings page. Then, scroll down until you find the applications section. Now, create a new application by entering the required details such as the application name, icon, and redirect URL. After that, click on Create Application. Once the application is created, click on Generate Access Token. This access token will work as your API key and allow your Python application to connect with your Gumroad account. Then, copy and save the access token securely because you will use it inside your Python code when making API requests. Next, open your Python project or code editor. After that, install any required libraries like requests if needed and use your Gumroad access token to authenticate API requests. Make sure to keep your API key private and never share it publicly because anyone with access to the token may be able to access your account data. Usually, most API connection issues happen because of invalid access tokens, incorrect authentication setup, or missing permissions. So double check your application settings carefully. That's it. By creating an application and generating an access token, you can connect the Gumroad API with Python and start automating your store successfully.